You have reached your destination.
Yep. So check this out. This is my original exhaust, or the exhaust that came with my car. I'm going to reuse this. It's in very good shape. I just took a flapper disc to it and cleaned it up. I'm going to take a little bit of de-rustification stuff to it and get rid of the rest of it. And then I'm going to paint it with high heat paint, exhaust paint. Yeah, it's all in pretty good shape. You gonna do this? I've got the... Not bad. Not bad at all. I was thinking about buying myself an entirely new exhaust system, but I don't need one. And that's $330 shipped. So, hell yeah, I'm not too displeased. I am going to buy a stainless steel muffler for the thing, though, to make it look nice at the back end. I'm also going to... Let's see, where's that stuff? Pause. I'm also going to wrap it with this exhaust wrap that I bought. And there's stuff I'm using. It's good up to, what, 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And these are, what, 2 inches? So I should be able to wrap the entire thing with one roll. I bought another roll just in case. I can always use the other roll on my Fiat there, so. Yeah, so next step is to paint it, let it dry, and then wrap it. Yeah, cool. And we're done. Got some runs, but I don't give a crap. I'm going to cover it up with that exhaust wrap. I'll let this dry for about 3 hours, and then I will wrap the hell out of it. Yeah, I didn't use that. I used the high heat paint, just so you know. Yep. Not bad, not bad. And I'm done. So I've got a piece of tie tape here just to keep the flange up, but I can pop that down. I left some room for this thing to slide up and down as I need to. If it needs to, it probably does. And I ought to trim some of that shit back too, but I'll get to that later. And I'll trim some of these down too. So here's the whole thing, nice and wrapped. I thought I bought a black roll, but I didn't, obviously. So I've got about 3/4 to an inch of overlap. That's how they look when they're not tied. And this is where the muffler will slide onto. I left some room back there too. I'm most concerned about this area up in here. That's still wet. Where it'll attach to the manifold and then go under the the floorboards and stuff like that. So I'm just looking to keep heat away from the cockpit. Prior to this, I've actually got another roll of this stuff. I bought too much, but I soaked in a bucket of water to make it a little more easy to work with. Then as it dries, it'll cinch up and become even more tight. And start from the back and move forward. So as the car travels down through whatever's going on, the ridges this way aren't going to catch on air or all kinds of other crap. Oh, look at that. Did that to myself too. But, you know, it's pretty good stuff here. I've got, it ended up being 3 wet coats of that high heat paint and two lighter ones. It dried overnight, so I've got 2 good coats of protectant on this thing against rust. And I've been fiddling with this thing. I don't have any breaks or tears or grunges or rust throughs or anything. And if ever I have to replace this, I got a second roll, and the stuff's not expensive, so this is not awfully tough to do. Yep, not displeased at all. I've ordered an exhaust hanger kit from Scarborough Fair. Once it arrives, I'll probably put this thing on. Well, at least I'll stick it in. I won't cinch it down. I don't think yet, but maybe I could. Who knows? But yep, not bad. Not bad at all. That's it for the night. And I'm done. I've got this hung. I've got this wrapped. I've got it positioned the way that I need it to be positioned. This was until I had it all hung up. I still have yet to buy a goddamn, what do you call it, a stainless steel muffler. I ought to do that now since I'm got the weekend off. And that's it for now. And all this didn't take me very long. I'm pretty impressed and happy with how I did this. It's tightened up to the engine too. It's all ready to go. Once I get the muffler on, I may start this again. Yeah, there we go.